around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath.
So guys, I know that this morning I said that I was getting ready to go to work. I really was, but I had the horrible, like the most horrible commute to work this morning, and they basically just cancelled all of the trains, so I had to take the bus, and that was just giving me major anxiety. So I was just like, no, I'm not going on the bus. I told my managers, and I'm working from home today, so I'm gonna be actually doing a self-care vlog. If this sounds like something that you would be interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and make sure that you watch.
The cameraman.
Yeah, I'm cameraman.
You make videos?
Yeah.
For YouTube?
Yeah.
Really? What's your name?
JAYDAHtalks. You wanna be in it?
No.
Okay.
Oh my, oops, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my.
You do Tintin as well?
Yeah.
I'll come back for Tintin at Christmas.
Not today?
No, because it's gonna fade by Christmas. I'm not going nowhere now. Okay.
I tried and I tried to avoid, but this thing was happening. Swallow my pride, let it ride and parted. But this body felt just like mine. I got worried, I looked over to the left, a reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. Oops, there goes my shirt up over my head.
Sorry for the close.
Go on. Don't be sorry.
Yeah. You're good in. So I'm actually on my way to the dentist now. Do you see the sky? It's only 4 p.m. Welcome to winter. I need to whiten my teeth. Like, my treatment plan wasn't done, so I'm here to whiten and I believe shape my teeth. So I'll see if I can show you guys a before and after. Hi, I have an appointment today.
Can I get your name, please? What's your name?
Thank you. London Bridge.
Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. Look at this.
And if you want to open up some white for me. Perfect, well done.
Yeah. Do you actually?
Yeah.
Okay, say hi. Guys.
Hello.
This is the gentleman that made you my bonding. No, you're not an orthodontist.
I'm not an orthodontist, I'm a cosmetic dentist. We're the cool ones.
Yeah. Very cool.
So
very cool.
The orthodontists have straightened everything, and now we've got to look at some options to make things as beautiful as possible.
Yeah.
So I think we've got some good options.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, we do. So basically, guys, this is it. He didn't whiten it today, he didn't shape it today. But that's what I was most excited about. That's what I was telling him. I was like, guys, my teeth's gonna be done.
Well, we're going to start the whitening today.
But we're gonna start the whitening today, and I'll fill you guys in on what he said about these bits. But basically, the treatment plan isn't done, and I may need another grand. So like my video. Thank you.
I looked over to the left. I was feeling so good, I had to touch myself. I looked over to the left. I was on my thighs, but a peacock. I looked over to the left. Coming down on my shirt, and then the skirt came down. There goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my.
My friend, one of my friends, them other. Guys, I just realized that one of my friends made a purchase. But my friend them had them like give them look something extra because them don't have to spend their money, but them come to me to spend their money. So I appreciate people like that. So I'm not gonna pack 3 money yet. I'm gonna bring it home and then pack it one next day. I do it home walk with my bag of supplies them at the time. Just like old time's sake. If you guys have been following my journey from before I even joined YouTube, then you would know this is nothing new to me. Like I used to literally go to school, not so well, I used to go to work with like a suitcase full of products, full of my orders, and then rush after work, go to post office, or I normally even come on my lunch break, ship out the order, go back at work, ship out the tracking numbers. Like it was a whole progress, it was a whole process. Anyways, I'm just going to package 2 more orders and then I'll see you guys when I'm on my way home. If I go to the nail shop, I'll check in. If I go to the Chinese shop, I'm checking in. Hello. Hello. Can I order some special fried rice cooked in chili oil? Cooked in chili oil. Yeah. No, that's okay. Yeah, plain by card, that's okay.
Sorry, cash only. Just call.
Can I transfer you?
Huh?
Can I transfer you? I probably already have your details.
You pay before, yeah?
Yeah, I paid you before. It's just because I moved to the other side now. So that's why you haven't seen me. Guys, I already have the Chinese man details saved on my phone. I have his whole bank account. That's how much I come here. That's so funny. He just gave it to me, but I fully have it. Girl looks seasoned. I need to finish creating a website for my client, so that's what I'm gonna do. I know I promised you guys that I was gonna show you guys how to create websites. I know how to create websites on Wix and on Shopify, but I prefer Wix, so that's what I'm creating now. Tender. Okay.
What, it's too hot?
It's okay, thank you. My head feels so light. This is what the hair is looking like. It's not giving. Yes, I got my parcel. We got some goodies. We got some Zara. I'll do a haul. Let me show you guys. I'll do a haul in my next vlog. So we're going on a staycation. So not a staycation, we're just going on a day trip. So dramatic. Going on a day trip. Quickly in and out. So I'll do the try and haul when I'm packing. Maybe chaotic, so don't judge me, but have a good night. Show you guys my hair in the next vlog. Didn't do much, literally just cut off all the dead hair, permed it, treated it. That was it. I didn't style it because it's pretty late. It's actually 1 AM and I'm meant to have a meeting tomorrow at 6, so good night. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and make sure that you go and watch the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really do hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment section below. If I can't reply in the comment section below, then I will reply in the video when I have the time. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Bye. I wonder if the post office still open, people. I wonder if we're gonna catch it today. Yes! We are gonna catch it today. We are gonna catch it today. This is the post office that I used to come to when I had my old business. They're such a joyful bunch. But anyways, let me just quickly finish them off. Finish packaging the order here. And then we can go in the queue. The queue is not long, so that's good.
それによってあなたたちは苦しさから解き放たれるのでしょう。